Hello everyone. The aim for today's video is to talk about what are the effects of these weight loss medications or these GLP-1 category of medications that we have been hearing about a lot. We keep hearing about the side effects of the medications, nausea, vomiting, acidity, gastritis and all that. What often gets sidelined is the effect of these medications and the reason why we want to use them for. Number one, they have an anti-inflammatory property, which means that it helps decrease that inflammation in the body, because of which a lot of other medical problems are arising for us related to the excess weight. Number two, they help with decreasing the cholesterol levels in the body. They help improve the fatty liver problem. They help with preventing diabetes, reversing diabetes or pre-diabetes as well, so that we have that kind of a molecule going into the body which is working on disease reversal and not just disease control. So this is a very important reason for which we like to use these medications to help with controlling that excess weight and obesity, which is not an easy problem to deal with. Other thing also is that these medications, they have been shown to have a beneficial effect on the heart also. So decreasing the issue with heart attack, which is a very important benefit that we are seeking with these medications. So people with family history or their own personal history of heart disease, it is a beneficial medication for them to be on. Another aspect is the effect on aging process in itself. What we see, and there are a lot of emerging studies coming up with that, is the effect on anti-aging. So it decreases the aging process for us, helps us live healthier and longer. And another thing which people talk about is the fact that we don't have enough studies about the medication. It is really not that. We have had this category of medications for almost 20 years now. It's just that they have gotten more and more refined and polished over a period of time, to an extent that now they are creating that buzz in the social media, and a lot of influencers out there are talking about medications very authoritatively, which is mixed with a bag of right and wrong information. So that's what I wanted to dispel the myths about in this video. And again, when we talk about these medications and when we recommend these medications, it's only when we feel that the benefits are going to outweigh the risk of taking this medication. And of course, if at any point of time there are challenges that an individual faces with the medications, we can very well stop them. So I hope this video was useful for you and you got to understand a few more benefits with the medications and why we want to use them. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.